I recently attended an event. The first of its kind, the RotorRiot Rampage freestyle event. But what is it? Besides a bunch of nerds flying homemade quadcopters around concrete structures.
So we are evidently, the microphone on? Yeah, I always leave it off and then I ruin my footage. We are doing the Armaton, how do you say it? Challenge? Armaton. Yeah. I wish I... Oh, did you hit it? That was a good shot. We're doing a challenge, and you gotta power loop some stuff to win some stuff. I'm not in the challenge. These guys are in challenge. Stingy's being really mean, he won't let me fly.
You see, throughout time, there has always been festival. Year after year and decade after decade, humans gather with like-minded individuals in the ultimate expression of self. It's no secret that humans crave the company of others. It's in our DNA, our nature, and FPV is no different. We seek the freedoms and release from our worldly bodies and problems regularly and so easily with our newfound ability of flight. And in doing so, escaping from the physicality of our existence, we bond. We bond with those that are like-minded, harmonious in our indifference to the ground. Those that can understand what it means to be truly free, if only for minutes at a time. You see, FPV saves us. It saves us from ourselves and from the noise around us. Being able to go to one place, a center for this feeling, this thought.
Saturday. Good. Oh my God, good morning!
The idea that if we can be free for 3 minutes at a time in a world where our time is so precious and fleeting, being able to go to a place like this where everyone else around you understands.
Also, the drummer looks like angry Mr. Steel. Look at him.
Makes you feel connected to the very thing we are seemingly trying to escape. You see, the bond we share transcends the physical because our head is always in the clouds. Being able to share this feeling and understanding with so many like-minded souls in one place, it's no wonder no one wanted to leave. Everyone at this event, by the end of it, felt like we were part of something different. It's like we're all kids again, and someone told us a secret. And the magic of this secret is that it makes us happy. And everyone else that knows this secret is happy too.
How long have you been there?
Forever. This is my home. What's going on?
And the thing about this secret is that you can tell anyone you want. It's not really a secret, but it feels like it. What we experienced at the RotorRiot Rampage event, none of us saw coming. Yeah, we met friends from online and made new ones. We met the people we look up to and made memories.
Check you out, man.
I'm wet. I'm the wet unicorn.
I don't care.
What's going on, man?
I saw you earlier. I didn't know it was you.
Yeah.
But I promise you, we all left with something else. Some say that the future of FPV is in question. But from what I experienced, we're just getting started.
Are we doing a jump again? Oh, regular pitch. Okay.
All right, cool.
You gotta look cool.
Nobody's jumping.
Hold on.
We're not doing the jump this
You
time.
want to jump up? You can give it to him.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, jump! Whoa! Son just got shot. Everybody, take your grab.